What's up, y'all? So it's your girl Chanel
And me.
It's my sister Caitlin. Today we are here with a quick little. It's not gonna be quick. It's gonna be pretty long video.
Well, it'll be right
Mukbang,
back.
kind of like not really a mukbang, but a mukbang because we're gonna be eating some American deli.
I got my 15 piece with some
And it's
regular
story
fries.
time.
Yeah.
Because on Instagram I put up a post and asked questions and told y'all to ask me questions, and y'all all basically almost asked the same exact thing.
Yes.
So that's gonna be the first question that I answer because it's the only question that really got asked most of the time. Most of the questions was that. So I'm gonna go ahead and nip that in the bud and get that first question out. But we do have some American deli. We're gonna be eating and chatting. But before we get started, make sure y'all go like this video, subscribe to my channel if y'all want to see some bangers. But as y'all know, at first I did have a family channel. I did cut that, change the name due to my boyfriend Amir's dad not being as photogenic as I am, so he's not really some person who's gonna sit in front of the camera and talk like me. But he will always be on my channel a lot. He will still be seen on here. It just not so often, not as a family channel for right now. We might in the future make a family channel, but for right now it's going to be strictly.
Did you see that?
It's going to be strictly, you know, the Lecture Chanel show, which includes my family. This is my little sister. But today,
Don't mind my hair.
today we are gonna be doing this chat and eat little thing going on. Make sure I turn y'all post notifications, please. Cause I got some stuff for y'all, my ladies.
So I keep having to go over there.
Yep.
But it's okay.
So,
It sure is okay.
yeah.
So let's just dig in.
So, question I was asked the most.
Is it on your phone or something?
It is what I remember it. Look at my iPad. Much of that I did put meet him, but he's asleep, so I don't want to meet him because it's late. He's in the bed. He had a long day. He'll be back. So he is sleeping. He knocked out. Yes. So story time. Let's get it started. I was 16 years old. I've been talking to RJ, my boyfriend, my baby father, since I was 16.
Now she's 20, but I turned 21.
I'm 20. Be 21 on Christmas. I've been talking to him since my freshman year in high school. My high school sweetheart is stupid. I'm just kidding. Not stupid. I'm just talking shit. I'm talking trash. But he is Coco. I'm just kidding. But yeah, basically we're talking for a long time. We got serious. Our parents already knew each other. But we got serious. We started hanging out outside of school, being grown. You know what I mean by being grown.
Inappropriate.
Being too grown. I don't want to tell all my business on here. But And we did end up moving in together. I was 16.
At his parents' house.
Yeah. I stayed, his mom took me in.
She didn't take her in. No, she was homeless. She just didn't want to live with us no more.
Take it hush. But she did take me in. And she moved back her out for 3 years. 3 years? 3 years. Love her so much. Yeah, we did end up moving in together. And got pregnant. And why would I not keep my baby? The hell? I'm gonna keep him. He's the best thing that happened to me my whole life. I'm gonna beep it out. Leave it out. He's the best thing that ever happened to me my whole entire life. He's such a blessing. He's bad though.
Very bad.
But to answer your question, why did I keep him? I mean, I was young, but baby don't stop no show.
Yeah.
And I had to graduate high school, and that's my motivation. She's still my motivation to this day. I'm in school. I'm in cosmetology school. I'm in college. And that is my motivation to finish school and have a career and not a job, because I'm tired of working for I'm tired of working for the man, okay? So that is definitely to answer that question. To make a long story short, because I got this question a lot. Why don't you keep your baby? Why don't you keep your baby? I don't believe in that abortion stuff. I don't believe in it. I don't think that it's right, because the baby did not actually come to this world. And I'm not gonna kill an innocent child. I knew what I was doing when I was laying down. So, take care of my child as I should.
She was doing it undetected.
Kayla, shut up. She's only 12. She get on my nerves. Yeah. My dad is such a great dad. You know, he's crazy. It's my man.
It's like spicy. This chicken is too spicy tonight. That sauce.
Yeah. But I answered that question just to sum it up, because I don't want to go into too much detail. I might make a whole nother video. Not today. Too late.
Oh, I just sharpened my hair, but I just.
I'm gonna ask some of the other questions, but I might make another video.
Yeah, cool.
A whole video about, you know, my experience of getting pregnant at like a young age and how I handle my business. I was in 11th grade.
She did.
I was in 11th grade. I love my son so much, y'all. I'd be wanting to cry sometimes because I just love him so much.
Crazy.
I'm so sad. I'm so loving him. He is gonna be so long. He gonna be a mama's boy for the rest of his life.
It should be like so happy how much y'all do. So sad. That's crazy.
Yeah, so happy because it's like so much joy he brings to my life. Everything can be going bad. My dad, I mean, he knows. Kids know. If they're not right, they know. I haven't worked in 3 months.
Oh.
I haven't worked in 3 months. So I've really been in the house chilling. And y'all are crazy. No, I've been doing house projects on the side. All day. No, or cooking. I cook all day.
She's cold.
So I got some gut videos coming for y'all for real with my cooking, because I can cook. I'm a fat girl. I cook all day. Desserts, dinner. I cook every day. So tonight, that's not a cook, but so I'll be giving you some wings.
Yeah.
Something quick and easy. Because she wanted to do this mukbang so bad. She got 15 chicken wings. Who can eat 15 chicken wings? Not me. I'm not doing 10 chicken wings I got.
I got I got almost 9 chickens left.
Anyway.
I
Yeah, you smash it. Anyway. Let's go to the next question. Can you help sausage?
Okay. Bad boys.
Taking too long. Okay. Let's go to the next question.
That's how they be looking after you eat them.
Alright.
I always break these into halves.
Next question.
It's not a story time. I just did like a Q&A.
It says, how having a son changed your life? Definitely made me grown. Not even grown, like mature. That's the word.
Responsibility.
Mature. It's a lot of responsibilities. It was scary at first. I used to cry so much. It just makes you mature. No matter what age you are. A lot of times, some people don't mature when they have kids, but I had to grow up fast. And he's just such a blessing. I feel like I can say with it, but he's just a blessing. I told you, I'm gonna make a whole video.
He is so amazing.
I'm gonna make a whole
so
video.
adorable.
He's so smart. Like, you think he my daddy? He was so smart. Like, you would think he's only 2. Will he be 3 in 2 months? What's this month? It's about to be June. So,
Some
yeah, 2
people,
months. August 22nd.
some of my friends be asking me, why is your 4-year-old nephew so small? I'm like, he's not 4.
He is so smart, like, so smart. I'm not even just saying because that's my child, because it's just like kids out here that I don't see that can't even count. Like, my son been counting since he turned 2.
No, he was counting at 1.
He was counting at 1. He can count. He was counting at 1 years old to 10. Saying his ABCs.
Now he just counting to like 30, but sometimes he want to be bad and curse in between
He
it.
is too smart. Like, yeah. We try not to cuss around him, but
He cursing a lot.
he got that mouth, and I gotta get on that.
I need
keep on burping,
I need to
girl.
stop drinking that soda. I should
But-
have water.
Yeah. How he changed my life, he made me mature. He made me a great person, great mother. Still growing, still learning every day.
Is there any more ranches? Because I'm tired of
We
using
can
it.
go after RJ, he might use this.
I'm going to have to go all the way upstairs.
Yeah. It just, kids make you grow up. Run by responsibility. Kids ain't cheap. And kids ain't easy. So I can say.
This is actually a Q&A because
This is a Q&A.
the story
I
time.
was at Q&A, Chitchat, I guess, something like that.
Because you only answer one question whenever it's a story time. You don't even have to tell a whole, so that's what the whole video about.
Oh, this fruit punch kind of nasty. That's why I grabbed these. This is so good. This is the best juice. And
This Sprite is bacon.
That's the best juice ever. Let's see, you hate this juice, right?
It
Wow.
stinks.
It smells like strawberries.
It's like broccoli and all that stuff.
No, it don't. This is so good. It's strawberry kiwi. It's so good. Alright, y'all.
So
Somebody
bad.
call me. My bad.
We're back.
Somebody called my phone.
Oh.
But
Oh my gosh.
Oh, Sissy, I'm sorry.
You want to
Okay.
restart?
Huh?
Want to restart?
No. Just keep it going. It's okay. It's human life.
Don't,
But
guys. Please.
next question.
Don't mind my hair. Like, it looks a mess right now. Cause I just took it out. Those
We've
stamp.
been going out there. Well, no, we haven't really. We have not been going out there. I took a nap.
So,
What was I gonna say?
what was you gonna say?
Next question. He never asked me this. He's stupid.
What did you ask?
How did me and RJ meet? Like, he don't know.
Definitely.
I just said it in the beginning of the video. I met him my freshman year in high school, science class.
Ooh, science.
Science class.
Chemistry.
Science class. I forgot the guy name too. But yeah. That's when I met him, but I didn't actually talk to him. Excuse me. I didn't actually talk to him until he talked to me first, because I don't play that.
She played everything.
Alright. He talked to me first.
What he said?
Meet up for your class. My first day at Rocky River. First day of school. It wasn't the actual first day of school. My mom changed my school because I was getting bad at my old school. So she made me go to Rocky River. I was gonna
Oh my
do
gosh,
it.
she did her school because she was getting bad.
So they changed my school, right? And I kept being bad. Kept getting in trouble. So she switched my school back to my old school. And then when I went to my old school, he was at my old school. He was following me.
Don't
I'm
mind,
a true believer.
don't mind her eyes, guys. She's kind of like a psychopath. You have to go fries.
He was, no, don't eat my shit.
Look at my fries.
Are you about to eat all your stuff like that?
That's mean, guys.
But, yeah. We met freshman year of high school at Rocky River. It was like the third week of school because my mom transferred my school from Vance back to Rocky River.
Huh?
Yeah, she has gonna be back again, like 4 months later.
Huh?
Or was it the next school year? I forgot.
You said don't call you?
No, you said. I said.
I hated both of the schools. I
We
graduated
got Wi-Fi downstairs.
a year early. I think. I graduated early.
Oh! Chanel!
Right here, we gotta call you back. We're in the video.
Okay.
She always did. The only thing was, if it was me on my phone, she was gonna answer.
Let's call back, cause you. Next question.
We're not real life people. We're not fake people. We're real people. There's still meat on this bad boy.
Next question.
I'm not giving you a carrot because you're not giving me a fries.
How old are you?
20.
20.
20.
My birthday's on Christmas. 1999. Yeah. I'm 20.
I am 2007, October 21st.
Yep.
I'm
I'm
12.
20.
I turned 13 in 5 months.
Next question.
No, I didn't hear that.
What made me change the name? Caitlin. Tell me.
My boyfriend RJ did not like being on the camera like that, but she made it the Daily Dose of Chanel Alexis because she is Chanel Alexis and all of her family and RJ and Chanel, and Amir and all of us are still a part of her.
Yep.
So we're going to be in the video, just not a family channel.
Thank you. Yep. So it's gonna be my daily life.
Yeah.
I cook.
Every day, every night.
I like to eat. I make desserts.
Every night.
I do hair.
Every day.
So yeah. I do hair, so
You go trash.
basically it's just gonna be what I do. I'm gonna be pranking him. Cause he is like a very serious person. Like RJ is so serious. So I'm gonna be getting him.
Oh yeah, tell them about what's happening in Charlotte right now.
They riding like some dummies.
Crazy.
Yeah. So we need that out. But
You know what?
what?
Nothing.
You goofy. Yeah, they're riding. So
R.I.P. George Floyd. I don't know why they had to do that to him, but Black Lives Matter too. But we don't gotta go that far because how some families are not going out there. What if they get killed just for walking out? I just
no, I'm not going out there.
I'm good.
Oh. I'm not going to go protest. Because I'm black and
I don't want that part of the chicken.
they're finna get me.
I think I'm full, y'all.
Yeah, you definitely cool. I had chicken, yeah.
I just kept eating because I don't know.
I don't eat my full chicken wings. This is as much as you'll see me eat out chicken. I don't play.
It's kind of nasty shit, but
I don't eat that.
here's another one. Here's one of the ones that ate a lot of.
Dude, you're stuck on this?
Yeah. You got this one, and then she'll go down.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Here we go.
So I get the sauce off those bad boys. I'm not hungry no more. But I still be saving them for later. Oh, Chanel, I didn't lick this one. I licked that one the first time.
It's okay. I don't want it.
She has all that shit.
I don't eat my chicken whole. Like, people would be so mad if they saw how I eat my chicken. I don't eat my chicken. I can only eat the skin.
People be about to smack her.
And barely even eat the skin. I don't eat it like that. But, yeah. I'm only answering a few of these questions. And that's it. Because a lot of them were the same questions. And I just said I'm gonna make a whole video of me like answering that one question that everybody keep asking. Oh, I can do a documentary.
Answer my question now. Let's see what my question was.
What?
Go to the iPad. I forgot what it was.
Oh shoot! Okay, let me see.
Ouch.
Yeah, I'm gonna I just told you. I'm gonna do that on the I'm gonna do that on the.
I don't remember what was my question.
How you got pregnant at a young age and how you handled it.
Okay, now go back on there. Let's see what was Hades' question. Hades. What's Hades' question?
How you? Oh, okay. I can do that right now because that one not the same. That one's different. Thank God. Okay, that one's different. So I'm gonna do that one. That question was, how did you get your first job? I didn't have my first job.
What was your first job? Look at this, y'all.
My first job was
Wendy's?
Wendy's.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh, look at this. Oh, I smashed. For real.
oh. My first job was at Wendy's and hated it.
Why?
Hated it.
I can't.
I never worked a fast food job after that. Ever. After Wendy's, I was 16.
I would
I
have
was
went.
15.
My first job would have been Chick-fil-A over Wendy's.
Yeah, I was 15 years old. I would never work fast food again. I never worked fast food after that again. It was a horrible job. Like, it just would take
Take them.
yeah, I don't
Take mine. So we're just about to start cleaning up. We're about to go clean up. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. My first job was Wendy's, and I hated it. I was only making $7.25. The worst job ever.
Go put those in this thing.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Fix it.
So we're probably finna end this after this question because we have to get our showers and we go to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
Cause look what time it is, guys. 10:09. It's not that late, but still.
Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Again, my grandma just called me. She'll call me 10 times if I don't answer. She thinks I'm wrong with me. I'm gonna have to call her back. But yeah, my first job was Wendy's. Like I said, when I worked fast food, I was only making $7.25. It was not a good job. And then my second job was Monkey Joe's. I love that job. But I was only making $7.50. I'm making no money.
Just look, Chanel.
Okay, Caitlin.
That's-
Crazy.
That's bad.
Okay, turn it off.
Alright, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Check out my channel. Nah.
Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I got a giveaway. Okay. Yeah, because I ain't putting it yet. But I'm giving away.
Don't show them that thing.
Caitlin hating.
That hairline looks a little crazy, but at least it's cute wig.
I'm going to customize it. Period. So it ain't customized yet. But that's gonna be a video and it's gonna be a giveaway because y'all gonna get to see how I do this and what style I'm trying to pursue. I'm gonna put it right there. What I'm trying to pursue with this wig. So it's short. It's short.
It's like a bob. She gonna cut it down. Want to make
It's
it
12
even.
inches. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna put the picture right here. Okay, I'm gonna put the picture right there. The style that I'm pursuing with this hair. This is gonna be a giveaway. I'm giving this away. I'm gonna pluck it. I'm gonna bleach the knots, and yeah, I'm gonna put the picture right there of what style that I'm going for with this wig. And whoever win this wig, y'all better do that style because I'm not playing. Period. But this is gonna be a hell of a wig. Period. So, let me go ahead and give like the rundown of how you win this wig. How you win this wig is, of course, join my family, join my team,
Subscribe.
like this video,
And comment
tell your
down below.
friends,
Comment down
Tell
below
your friends.
why you think you should win this wig.
or message me directly. I'm gonna put my Instagram. No, I'll put my phone number. No.
They're gonna have to sometime.
I'll put my Instagram down below so that y'all can go, let me know.
Well,
Reach out to me
Your number's on your Instagram.
and definitely comment. Just comment your name. Comment your name.
No, comment why you think you should win it.
Okay.
She does.
Why do you think you should win this wig?
Are you gonna give it away? Are you gonna keep it? Give it as a friend gift?
So why do you think you should win this wig?
Or does you want to wear something?
It's a full lace wig. Well, no, it's not full lace. I'm sorry, nah. It's not full lace. It's a frontal. It's a frontal. 13 by 6. Okay, it's not plucked or nothing. Bleached, nothing. See that?
It's transparent.
Y'all see that? This is a part of the Lush collection, so I will put my website down below. But this is a part of the Lush collection.
So,
This is
As well. So we'll get our deep wave hair. That's actually all I got on my website right now. Is deep wave hair. Because I want to get more inventory in before I try to pursue doing anything else. But since so many people be asking, why not?
Now, I'm gonna see y'all later because I'm finna go beat her to the shower.
Yeah, she got my nerves. But yes, thank you so much for watching. It's a little boring because it's like my second time. This is my second time doing a video, and I'm new to this. So please just bear with me while I get used to talking to the camera and all that. But please reach out if you would like to be entered into this 12-inch frontal wig giveaway. Like I said, I will put the picture up there for y'all to see what look I'm trying to pursue with this hair. And I would like for y'all, whoever win this wig, because you will be hand-picked anywhere, wherever you are watching, you can win this wig. This is the first of many giveaways because I had so much in store for you guys. I definitely had been putting together some things for me to start vlogging about traveling. Pretty scared to travel right now, but definitely will be putting together some things. But this is one of many that I have put together for my new team. So welcome to the Alexis Chanel family. Period. Get with it or get left. Not just kidding. But yeah, definitely like this video, subscribe, and definitely reach out to me. I'll put both my personal and my YouTube Instagrams. And for you to be entered into this giveaway, all you gotta do is send me your name. Easy. Send me your name. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Send me your name, and I will have a jar full of names of people who sent me their names. And yeah, there's no money involved. Not looking for nobody to cash at me. None of that. Just send me your name. Comment your name. You can comment your name. You can send me your name to my DM, and I'll put your name in the jar. And the next Monday, or I might get this 2 weeks. I don't know. Depending. None of that. Just send me your name, comment your name. You can comment your name. You can send me your name to my DM, and I'll put your name in the draw. And the next Monday, or I might get this 2 weeks, I don't know, depending on how well it goes or how many people see this video. Yes, depending on how many people see this video, how many people send me their names, that will determine exactly how long I'm gonna wait till I get on here and reveal who the winner is. Okay, and after I post the video, I will reach out to you directly of who the winner is. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go subscribe and make sure you go turn on your post notifications.